Hey guys, it's Risa. I'm not at home, I'm at work, and I just wanted to show you some of the food choices that I like to have that has helped me lose over 120 pounds on my journey over several years on WW. And I know that if you stay focused and you eat similar things that are full of protein, low fat, low carbs, you can lose weight too. And I thought I'd share some of my ideas that I'm going to have to eat during the day. Because I'm at work, I don't have my dinner, but I'll show you what I can have while I'm at work. So I've boiled up some hard-boiled eggs, and I'm doing intermittent fasting right now, but I would have eggs as a snack for breakfast, okay? I always have lots of vegetables, so this time I decided to steam my vegetables, although I do have a piece of cucumber if I feel like a snack. I made these delicious turkey zucchini burgers. I brought a Smart Bun, which is one Smart Point, and I just made these delicious and nutritious zucchini flatbreads, and they're one Smart Point, and you'll be able to see this on my channel, Risa's Recipes. I love having some Laughing Cow cheese for a snack or to break my fast. I keep some chicken meat as well for high protein, and sometimes I have it as a snack during the day when I'm on my way home from work. Lots of fruit. I love the golden berries. I love pears, apples, bananas, blueberries. The other snack that I really love are tomatoes, and these Zima tomatoes are super delicious. Oatmeal's also a great source of fiber and whole grains to have as a snack or for breakfast or just, to have after a workout. Sometimes I go for a big walk at lunch, so I might want to have that. And I love my heat with sweet mustard as a condiment. I keep lots of other condiments in the fridge at work. You can see there's actually 2 fridges and microwaves here. So I suggest that if you're at work during the day, depending where you are, some people are retired, but making sure that you have things prepared no matter where you are. I always have a cooler bag with me, and that's another tip. So if you're traveling and you're in your car or you're going somewhere, you're visiting someone, always keep it stacked. My other favorite thing is these Perrier waters. They keep you fuller longer, and they are super delicious. You could add lemon to them. You could add little flavored sugar-free drops to them, and limes, whatever you like, which are really good. They do come in flavors as well. And of course, I love my black coffee, which will keep me full and satisfied throughout the day. And that's what I have. So just a good variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, lower carbs, okay, that are necessary to lose weight. That's how you're going to lose weight. You need to fuel your body with healthy, clean food, all right? That's what's going to do it for you guys. Healthy, clean food. So I tell people I may not be an expert, but I have years and years of experience shaking things up, eating different things, prepping, planning, grocery shopping will keep you on track and focused on your journey. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, ring the bell. All my recipes are written under each video. My website, www.risaweiner.com, my Instagram, Risa's Piece 8, and of course, my amazing group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Lots of people throughout the world that are on it that can help you to help motivate, inspire, and give you insight into their journey as well. Besides myself, you can always private message me if you need extra help, my friends, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to pay it forward. So I love you guys and take care. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment. I love your comments, and like and share. Share with everybody you know. They don't have to be on Weight Watchers to enjoy this amazing food, okay? Take care. Love you. Bye for now.